Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the bicentennial Liberty quarter dollars. The 1776 and 1976 bicentennial quarter was minted by the U.S. Mint to commemorate the 200th anniversary of American independence. It features a colonial drummer on the reverse and the dual dates 1776 and 1976 on the obverse front instead of the usual EDS and single year. Millions were produced for circulation and collector sets, with most being worth only 25 cents, although certain rare versions with errors or special features can be valuable. The front shows George Washington and the usual and the dual date 1776 and 1976. The back features a colonial drummer, a torch and 13 star. Guys, this is the colonial drummer. Minting all bicentennial quarter were minted in 1975 and 1976 but carry the dual date to honor the 200th anniversary. Value most are worth face value, but rare error or special collector version can be worth significantly more. Three main versions were produced: the regular copper nickel clad coin, special proof coins for collectors, and 40% silver coins. Most bicentennial quarter were made of copper and nickel, but a small number were struck in 40% silver for special sets. These silver quarter are much rarer and more valuable than their regular counterparts. How do I know my 1776-1976 quarter is silver? The coin must say 1776 and 1976 on the front. Look at the reverse design. It should have the colonial drummer. Examine the edge. While copper nickel ones show a copper colored stripe. Which quarter is worth smaller, and the bicentennial quarter minted to celebrate America's 200th birthday hides some rare gems that could reach up to 1 million in perfect condition. In this post, we'll dive into its strong spot, the treasures, and show you how to hunt for your own rare coins. Stick around for might just uncover numismatic jackpot. How do I know if I have valuable bicentennial quarter? Number 1. Mint location. The special silver quarter came from the San Francisco Mint, so they have an S on them. Condition. Any coins in beautiful condition will be worth more than a warm one, all other factors being equal. Errors. Anything weird in coins is worth checking out. So guys, this is the bicentennial quarter dollars. So if so, check your pocket. Maybe you have a coin like this one, especially the error coin. So check your bucket if you have an error coin like an quarter dollars, it might be worth $1 million. The error coins of quarter dollars 1776 is one of the most valuable and collectible coin. So anyway guys, before I end, please subscribe to my channel and like my video, Jose TV3. Thank you.